Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building your profitable online business. If you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can attract local clients for your drop servicing business. Last week, I spoke about how you can attract international clients for your drop servicing business using two commonly used online marketplaces. If you have not watched that, I will leave a link over here. So many of you were asking me, how about local clients? How to attract and get local drop servicing clients? Many of you know that I like to list my services to sell on my local marketplace, which is Carousel, but many of you are from other country and Carousel is not available in your country. So today I'm going to share with you step by step how you can find your very own online marketplace that you can list your services to sell and you can attract your local clients for your drop servicing business. For demonstration purpose, I'm only going to show you one country, and that is Malaysia. Right now, I'm going to show you on my computer screen how I usually find the online marketplace for that country. Hi guys, so right now the first step is we want to know what are the available online marketplace in Malaysia. So what I need to do is just type in on this Google search online marketplace Malaysia. And you see many articles about online marketplace, like the top 10 e-commerce sites. So bear in mind that not all marketplaces you can list your services, because some are mostly are for you to sell products, like physical products. So maybe you take a look at this article here. What are the top e-commerce sites in Malaysia? And you can see these are like QOO 10 Malaysia. These are all for you to list products, physical products. So we don't want that. So let us see what is the other result. Okay, let us see this mudah.my. This marketplace is C2C, that means the customer to customer online marketplace. So very similar to Carousel, and we want to look for this type of marketplace. Right now we do a quick chat on this website. Okay, find deals. Okay, we want to see whether there are other people listing for services like digital services on this platform. So let us try a logo design. As you can see that they do not have much logo design here. How about video editor? Okay, so as you can see, not all the services are listed here, but you can see that they are freelancer that list their services on this website. Okay, so when you key in video editing, then you can see that there are results which is more precise, like this is video editing service. So in other words, because this platform mudah.my is a classified free platform for you to list your ads, your advertisements. So that means you can either promote your products or your services. So you can try to list on this platform. As you can see here, you can easily post a free ad over here. When looking through the list of e-commerce sites or the list of online marketplace for your local area, you want to look for websites that is cater for C2C, which is customer to customer. So let us scroll through this list of online platform. As you can see, eBay is also available in Malaysia. So by listing your services on eBay, you can target local as well as international clients. And this monthly traffic estimate is not bad only for Malaysia, 730,000. But I know that there are online marketplaces which are more popular, and they do have Carousel as well. And most important is you see the monthly traffic estimate is not bad, it's 2.2 million. This is something that I've stumbled upon. It's called lelong.my. This consumer to consumer description captured my eye, and this is exactly what you should look for. Another keyword that I like to use is to key in the service itself, and you, for example, I choose logo design, and I will also enter the country's name. So logo design Malaysia, okay, and see, and we need to browse through what are the available websites which is selling this logo design. Most of the time when you see all these are actually the company that is offering the logo design, but what we want to look for is a website that is online marketplace instead of a normal website. Okay, so you can see all these are actually the company that is offering the logo design service. So need to eyeball and see if any of it are actually online marketplace. So okay, I found one. So let us click in and have a look at this shopee.com.my. From what I know, Shopee is a marketplace for selling physical items, so I have no idea that they do have services as well. The moment you want to find out any available online marketplace on your local area, then this is the best way for you to search, because like from this search alone, I realized that Shopee can also list services. But I believe that they do have a fee, a listing fee, a seller's fee as well. Now let us try another keyword. So let us try video editing Malaysia. So from here you can see there are a lot of freelancer platforms that you can also list. Be aware that these are mostly the platform which is for international clients like Upwork.com. What we want to learn today is how to get your local clients, right? So we need to see something like this, like freelancing.my. So this is something like specially for Malaysians freelancer. So this is very similar platform to freelancer.com, but this is only in Malaysia. So most of the freelancers are actually Malaysians, and this is very similar to Upwork as well, because you can bid for the job, your clients can bid for your job, and I believe it's not so competitive. I often receive questions on whether this job servicing business can be done in your country. The answer is yes. I believe that every country have their very own online marketplace that you can list your services. In case that your country really do not have any online marketplace for you to list the services, you can check out my video over here. In that video, I share 3 free ways on how you can get your job servicing clients. So that's all for my video today. I hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!